Hello and welcome back. This is Nikki, and in this video I want to show some touch gestures. So to start out, I'll show you how to zoom in and out just by pinching and then pulling. In this navigator panel, you can go to the lock and either lock it or unlock it. Right now I have it unlocked because I didn't want it to move around. So I'm going to unlock it and show you that you can rotate it, your document. So that's how you do that. And then another one is, let's see, I'm just going to make maybe a circle here. Let's change it to another color. Doesn't really matter what. And let's put that over there. And you're like, oh gosh, I put it on the square by accident. Why did I do that? So what you can do is undo that by doing a 2-finger tap. And it'll eventually get over there. And then let's say, oh no, I did want it on that square, so do a 3-finger tap. It's pretty easy. And if you don't want to touch the screen, we have these little undo and redo buttons down here that I like to use. These are not on by default. You have to go in the settings and go settings like this, go to the, I think it's a user interface, and about halfway down it says show, undo, and redo buttons, and you can enable those. Okay, another touch gesture you can do is if you press and hold like this and you let go, you get this menu. And you have the duplicate, cut, copy, paste, and paste style, and delete, and several down here, which is group, select all, expand stroke, create style, zoom to selection, convert to curves, rasterize, solo, I'm not exactly sure what that is at the moment, and add to swatches. And so you can duplicate. Let me demonstrate that. Duplicate, and you have your duplicate. And so that is that quick menu.